How to make anchor navigation links using WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make anchor links using WordPress. So let's get started. What is an anchor link? Anchor link means that you can simply go ahead and add a link on your website that will take you to that part particularly, and it will work as an anchor to drive you to that link. So what you have to do is simply open up your WordPress. I have opened up my WordPress. This is the dashboard for the website that we are creating. So now to edit our anchor links and to edit the navigation of a website, we will actually have to edit our website. Simply go to pages, and then we will simply open up our page where we want to add the anchor link. So I have opened up this page on my website. So this is my page for our video, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a navigation option on my this page. I want to add anchor links. So what you have to do is simply click right here on this plus icon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down and find the navigation option. So before this option was actually not available, and you had to generate the CSS code and things, but now we also get the navigation option right here. So I will simply click right here, navigation. What is navigation? You can see right here that a collection of blocks that will allow visitors to get around your site. So this helps us with the navigation. I'm gonna click right here and let's add it to our website. Okay, so it has been added right here. So we have add all pages, and then we have start empty. In here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the different sections or different pages for my website. Most of the time this thing is actually as a header of your main page. So this is actually added as a header of your main page, but I already had added there, so I'm using this page. So what you will do is you will simply select your main page of your website, the first page, and then you will simply add the navigation. So I have added all the pages of my website. How to do that? You simply click right here. You will actually find the option of add all pages, and then you will add them right here. Let me actually show you how I did that. So we have select menu. Select menu simply means I can select different pages that I want to add navigation to, and then we also have add all pages. So if I click on add all pages, it will actually add all the pages of my website right here. So you can see right here, these are the different pages of my website. These are very random pages because this is actually a demo website that I have created for the purpose of the videos. So the basic thing, I have added all the pages, and now if someone will open up my website, they will find all of these options. Let's say they want to go to the sample page. Now how they will go to the sample page, because this is just a text, right? So what I will do is now I will actually add an anchor link of my sample page, of this page right here, in here to this text, so that if somebody will click on this text right here, they will be navigated and they will be driven to the page, the sample page. So what I will do is I will click right here, and then I'm gonna click on these three dots, show more settings, advanced, and then we have additional CSS classes right here. So I can simply go ahead and add my classes right here, my class, like additional CSS, right? But the main thing how we can do it is like a bulk action, which will allow me to add links to all of these. So what you have to do is you will simply click on edit. To edit this navigation menu, convert it to a single page link. So I'm going to click on convert, so that we have different links. We have different selection for each of these. I'm going to click right here, and now we will simply click. There you go. So this is the text right here. So I'm going to click on this option, link. This is the text that has been selected right now. So you can see right here, this is a sample page. So because we selected the automatic option, and we have already added, like, this is a navigation that WordPress has created itself. Now you can see right here, this is the link for the page, and this says sample page. Now if I click right here on sample page, it will take me to the page, and it will actually, it depends on me if I want the page to be to be opened in a new window, I will select this option. And if I don't want it to be opened in a new tab, then I can just leave this one, and it will actually change this page. So I can actually go with open in new tab. Now I will simply click on sample page, and then it will take me to the sample page. You can see right here, this is actually the page that I have added there. So now this is this is how it works. And now I can simply go to any of these pages. If I want to, I will simply click right here. I will simply go to links. Now I have selected this one. Let's go with shop and go to links. This is shop. Let's check it out. Simply click on shop, and now it will open it up in a new window. And this is how it will work for the users as well. This is how we add different navigation anchor links to our WordPress, and this is actually the easiest way to add these links, because this is automatic way. Another way you can do that is actually selecting a text on any page and then generating these CSS links for that word or for that page. So that's how it will work, but that's actually in a different case. But this is like the basic navigation of our website that we can do. This way people will be able to simply it's really really good for our visitors and customers that are visiting our website. They don't have to go ahead and check every page one by one. They can simply navigate to our website, and that will actually help them to check out our website better and help us with a lot of things. If you are a shop, if you have a shop, if you have any kind of website, so it will really help you providing your customers with the professional and the best website for their use. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add anchor links to your website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.